Oh, Jesus, it went inside my shoes. Ready? Updates?
So I got a new job. I'm moving to a different city. I have accepted a level 4 NICU job.
Yay!
Yeah, exciting news. It's officially move out day and we are leaving Odessa for good and we're going to Houston. I'm feeling a little sentimental. No, I'm not. Okay, we're getting bigger and better opportunities in Houston, so we're going.
How much longer until we get to our destination?
4 hours.
Oh, Alina, how long now?
3 hours.
3 hours? 3 hours to go. How does it feel to be out of the desert?
I'm just enjoying the walk.
That is very nice.
Hi guys. So I just wanted to come on and say that I think you should always pursue your dream job. Go for it and never look back. Because of that one job that I had, even though it wasn't in the right place, just that foundation, that 1 or 2 years of struggle is going to get you that dream job that you actually want. So now I am in the city of my dreams doing the job that I love just because of that one job that I took in maybe like a not my dream location. So take the leap of faith, prioritize your job, and everything that you want to achieve will come. So on that positive note, I bid you goodbye. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel for more nursing videos. See you in a new video. Bye.